A man and his 14-year-old son arrived at a hotel quietly. Their faces looked tired. Not just tired, but worn out by something far heavier than travel. The boy's eyes hadn't seen peace in a long time. The receptionist welcomed them with a polite smile, but something about the boy's pale face and their silence stayed with him. It wasn't just shyness, it was something deeper. A staff member led them to their room. They walked in silence through the corridor. Step after step, not one word. In the elevator, the boy looked up at his father, just for a second. And in that second, 1,000 unspoken things passed between them. Inside the room, the boy sat on the edge of the bed, still. The father looked at him. He wanted to say something, but couldn't. That evening, they went down for dinner. Around them, families laughed, chattered, clinked forks. But at their table, only silence. The boy didn't eat, just slowly stirred the food on his plate. The father leaned in and said gently, "You can go back if you want to." The boy didn't look up. He just whispered, "No, Dad, I want to do this." Later that night, the father approached the receptionist, asked to speak with the manager. In a quiet corner of the lobby, he finally spoke. "This is my son, Arian. He has cancer. Tomorrow he starts chemotherapy. His hair will fall out. So tonight, he wants to shave it all off, to feel in control, and I'll shave mine too. All I ask is that your staff doesn't make him feel different at breakfast." The manager paused. His eyes softened. He placed a hand on the father's shoulder and said, "You have my word. You're not alone in this." Back in the room, the boy sat in front of the mirror. He picked up the trimmer with shaking hands. The buzz filled the air, and his first clump of hair fell. His father knelt beside him, took the trimmer from his hand, looked into the mirror and said, "You won't lose a single strand alone." And he began to shave his own head, too. The next morning, they walked into the restaurant, both bald, heads low, unsure. Guests glanced up. A moment of silence followed. Then the boy saw the receptionist, his head shaved. Then the waiter, bald. The chef behind the counter, bald. Another staff member, also bald. All 4 male staff had shaved their heads. The boy stood frozen. Tears welled up. He looked at his dad, and for the first time in days, he smiled. The father leaned in, pulled him close, and whispered, "See, you're not alone. No matter what job you do, you can make someone feel seen, feel strong, feel human." Subscribe to Story. Crave for more interesting stories.